Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the amazing benefits of mint leaves, one of nature's most powerful herbs for digestion, skincare, oral health, and so much more. Before we start, let me know in the comments, which country are you watching this video from? I love seeing how far these natural remedies reach across the world, so grab a cup of mint tea, sit back, and let's discover how mint can truly transform your health. Digestive Health Mint is best known for its digestive benefits, and here's why. 1. Indigestion and stomach discomfort. Mint helps relax the muscles in your digestive tract. This can relieve bloating, gas, cramps, and indigestion naturally. You can chew fresh mint leaves or drink mint tea after meals for quick relief. 2. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Research shows that peppermint oil can reduce abdominal pain and discomfort in people with IBS. Simply take mint tea or mint capsules to manage symptoms. 3. Nausea and morning sickness. Feeling nauseous? Mint helps calm your stomach and activate digestive enzymes. Sip mint tea or just smell fresh mint leaves to feel better fast. Skin Health Mint isn't just for digestion. It's a natural skincare hero. 1. Acne and blemishes. Mint has antibacterial properties that fight acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. Apply mint paste to your face for clearer, healthier skin. 2. Soothing irritated skin. Mint's cooling effect soothes sunburn, insect bites, and itching. Use mint-infused water or crushed mint leaves on affected areas. 3. Brighten skin tone. Rich in antioxidants, mint helps fade dark spots and blemishes, giving your skin a natural glow. Use mint water as a toner for fresh, bright skin. Oral Health 1. Freshens breath. Mint naturally kills bacteria that cause bad breath. Chew fresh mint leaves or use mint mouthwash for instant freshness. 2. Gum health. Its anti-inflammatory properties protect your gums and help prevent gum disease. 4. Other benefits: headaches, relief. The aroma of mint can relax your muscles and improve blood flow, reducing headache pain. Apply mint oil to your temples for relief. Allergies and hay fever. Mint contains rosmarinic acid, which helps reduce allergy symptoms like sneezing and runny nose. Respiratory support. Mint opens up nasal passages and relaxes chest muscles, making it easier to breathe. Inhale mint steam or drink mint tea during colds or congestion. Mint Margarita recipe. And now here's my favorite mint margarita recipe. A refreshing and digestive drink. Ingredients: water, 3 glasses, fresh mint leaves, 1/2 cup, black salt, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 3 tablespoons ice cubes. As needed instructions. Add everything to a blender. Blend well until smooth. Strain and serve chilled. This drink not only cools your body but also helps with digestion. So now you know, mint is much more than just a flavor. It's a powerful remedy for your stomach, skin, and overall health. Let me know in the comments how mint works for you. Have you tried mint tea, mint for skin, or any homemade remedy? I'd love to hear your experience. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips and easy remedies every week. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and fresh with mint.